I try to explain to my small businesses when they open is yes, social media is great. Yes, you should collect a text message if you're a restaurant or retailer. However, email is the strongest piece of information you're ever going to collect from a customer because everyone has to clear their inbox. It might not be today, it might not be immediately when they receive it, but you can't stand it when those little bold, unread emails are staring right at you. So at some point, that is going to be your most consistent form of communication with your clients. And so it's amazing to me how a lot of our small businesses have passed that opportunity to collect that data and they just sit and don't understand why nobody's coming in. And that's a chance for a retailer especially to say, hey, it's a slow day. We have room for a haircut. We have room for a massage today. Come on in. The social media channels, which have been fantastic for communication, but if you're not up on all the algorithms and the SEOs and how to boost posts, it's not going to go anywhere. Nobody's going to see it, and you're going to just wonder why it didn't get any traction.